And Sophia May R. Morales with high honors. She is also the recipient of Best in CLGMRC, Best in Conduct, Perfect Attendance Award. A certificate of recognition is given to Sophia May R. Morales for being the champion of grade 3 level during the OPCNS Virtual National Bible Quiz Week AY 2024-2025. Signed by Sister Rhea Castillo OP, Congregational Director of Religion